This petrol-driven unit is a useful tool for any plumbing company and can be used for cleaning drains of up to 150 millimeters in diameter. The UPG 2018 DR is simple to use and comes standard with a 30-meter lightweight drain cleaning hose, rotary drain nozzle and manually operated hose reel. A 10-meter high-pressure washdown hose, gun and lance are also supplied as standard, enabling the operator to clean up around the work area on completion of the job. The addition of a sump pump kit makes light work of emptying manholes, sumps and even ponds. This pump can handle sand and small debris that might be mixed in the waste fluid and works off the UPG 2018 DR. Visit www.marpa.co.za or call us for more information on this product.